how big a challenge would Oman pose for India?
It's a very big challenge. It's very big challenge because we don't have positive score. We don't have score at all with them. Out of 7 games in the past, we never won. We had some draws, but in friendly games, we lost all official games. Last 2 were 3-0 3 years ago and 2-1. 8 months ago, I think we played before the Asian Cup a friendly game which was a draw. Friendly games cannot tell you much. But we are very confident, so we'll see what the game is.
You're confident it will be interesting football against Oman?
I think it's going to be a very interesting game. Very interesting game. Because we have something to offer now, and it's not about kick and chase. You know, it's about some different approach. The approach to the game and creating environment of champions and winning environment brings positive things into the dressing room which can produce results whoever you play against. And that's the mentality we are building up here, you know.
So with respect to that, how's the morale within the squad? What are the boys? How upbeat are they?
Very confident. Very confident. Not overconfident. We are building up our game. We exactly know what we need to do, when we need to do certain things, and why we're doing those things. More important, I mean, there is nothing more important than the result, of course, but I have 2 aims here with the Indian team. Of course, my aims are produced by the wishes from the Indian supporters. They want our team to play exciting football and win the games. And these are my aims. I need to please them. So my work is based on everything which will produce that India starts playing exciting football and winning games. Is that going to happen tomorrow? Realistically, no. Is that going to happen in the near future? Maybe. Is that going to happen in 2 years' time? I'm quite sure.